Came down here for my first multi-day sail on the keelboat, and instead I'm dealing with a village that's full of water. It was actually a couple inches higher than that. It was sloshing around the floor here. So I'm gonna troubleshoot that now. After vacuuming out 1,000 pounds of water, I found the leak. It was one of the holes of the bronze strut. I patched it. And now, same day as I arrive with an inch of water down here, I am enjoying my first meal aboard this beautiful Cal 33 with so much original woodwork, really special. And nice to have you aboard with me and my little one. And yeah,